Peacefully located among the homes in the Maritime Forest, you'll find 23 Sabal Palm Trail. This impeccable one-owner home features an open and airy floor plan and comes complete with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The downstairs living space, which takes full advantage of the home's natural setting, has immaculate hardwood floors and a gas fireplace that's never been used. A separate dining area, just beyond the great room, has plenty of space for large family meals and is conveniently located adjacent to the kitchen. Complete with a small desk area, the kitchen features plenty of counter space. The home's master suite can be found off the main living area and has direct access to a fully screened-in porch. This porch offers glimpses of fairway number 4 along the island's pristine golf course. 2 additional bedrooms are located in the upstairs living space of this home, with both just steps away from 2 full baths. A cozy den, nestled between the 2 guest rooms, is perfectly positioned for reading, relaxing, and gaming. A lifestyle membership to the Bald Head Island Club is also available for separate purchase. For more information, call Bald Head Island Limited Real Estate Sales at 1-800-888-3707 or visit bhirealestate.com.